Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. I hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to report a direct message in TikTok. Okay, and now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Let's open up our TikTok app and let's go to our inbox. You can see the inbox button on the bottom of your screen. I'll tap there and you can see all these are direct messages. Now to report it, go to the direct message like this and tap the three dotted icon in the top right, and you can see the report option over here. Just tap there, and there is one thing you need to know, that if you are going to report somebody on TikTok, then it must have violated the terms of TikTok's community guidelines, or if not, don't report them. Reporting somebody is bad on TikTok. So if your reason to report somebody's direct message on TikTok matches these kind of activities, you feel free to report them, but if not, don't report them. So there guys, reporting a direct message in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.